Hey, I'm Angel. I'm with Behringer and Music Tribe at InfoComm 2026, and this is our new field recorder Flow for V. It's a 10-track SD card recorder. We've got our dual stage preamps on it. You don't have to set the gain on it. It will never saturate unless you want them to. And yeah, you can send and receive timecode over a TRS connector. You can expand the 4-channel recorder with the Flow for VIO, where you have 4 additional dual stage preamps with 142 dynamic range and 2 headphone outputs. Everything is powered via USB-C, and the second unit is powered over Stage Connect, a single XLR cable that carries all the multi-channel, uncompressed audio, power, and channel information. So there you have it, Flow for V, a 10-track field recorder made specifically for video producers, content producers, vloggers, and it also has the USB audio interface, by the way. So check out the details at behringer.com.